Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Perchim-Letus. I go by Dr. Perch. I'm doing a quick video today. It's the first of a four-part series on Lyme disease. Today's topic is going to be simply in the prevention category. So what do we do to minimize our exposure to ticks? And of course, we're working first on avoidance. So there'll be a longer article that accompanies this to go into more detail. I'll give you some of the highlights. Of course, we're focusing first on trying to keep ticks out of our physical environment. For those of us living in New England, we have to assume that they are everywhere. So controlling those environments that we can, starting with our physical property, our yards. We're going to try to allow some sunlight into the yards, or if there are any trees that can appropriately be cut back, if there are brush piles that can be removed. Some other strategies are building a moat of wood chips around the property, keeping grass trimmed around play areas for the kids. Using a garlic or peppermint oil spray on the property may be appropriate. Next, we're talking about trying to make sure that we get ticks off of us once we come in. So once we've been in an area where we've been exposed to ticks and we're coming inside, stripping off everything, putting it into a dryer. Don't wash it first. You actually can kill more of the ticks if you leave the clothes dry. You can wash them afterwards. So 10 minutes on high is usually adequate to kill the ticks. When we're out in the physical environment, we are wearing long sleeves and white or light colored clothing, a rubber band around your wrist to prevent them from crawling up. If you can't get the clothes off right away, if you have to drive home from the woods or something like that, one of my patients suggested using a lint roller to try to catch some of the ticks. Besides, of course, doing thorough tick checks and showering within 2 hours of coming inside. Assisting little ones and checking themselves. So then the next topic is repellents. I'm a naturopathic physician, so I do kind of come to the table with some concerns about side effects of synthetic-based repellents, but I have to say that in the literature, the combination that has proven most effective is clothing that's been treated with permethrin, a tick repellent, a bug repellent, and then covering any exposed skin with DEET. So that is what in the literature is most effective. However, botanicals do hold a very strong mechanism of action. It's how the plants protect themselves from pests, and it makes sense that those volatile compounds can protect us from ticks. So see the article for some additional information about other less toxic synthetics, such as one called picaridin, one called BioUD, and it'll give you some further information. Look for our next series on some of the details in using an integrative approach for treatment of acute and chronic Lyme. All right, thanks very much. And of course, we'll also cover what to do when you first find a tick attached to the skin. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.